Hello, Gary O'Hanlon here, and I'm back again with another recipe for lunchtime live. This week though, we're going to do a lovely little breakfast slash brunch dish, okay? We're going to do a little dried Tarragon Potato Rosti. So first things first, as always with me, I'm going to get the pan on here at a medium heat. I want the potato to hit that pan with not the heat of a steak, but certainly I want heat. Bacon is on, pay no heat to that for now. I've got 2 potatoes here already. I'm going to do sort of 3 potatoes onto a cloth, and we're just going to take our potato in a box grater. Now, key thing here is to use a very, very clean tea towel, but also something that's quite thin and it's easy to squeeze, okay? So you'll notice I haven't washed that. I've peeled that potato and it's cleaned, okay? Just dipped it in a little bowl of cold water, and I've squeezed out the excess starch. The potato is quite dry and quite fluffy. Under no circumstances now rinse this under water. We do need a little element of the starch to keep things together for us, okay? In with some seasoning, okay? So a decent few twists. I want some white pepper in here as well. I do add a wee bit more pepper than what you would expect. I love a nice wee bang of heat off this, okay? A couple of wee twists of chili, and then fresh tarragon would be ideal, but dried tarragon's not too bad either. So I'm going to mix this up, give it a good mix, a decent little bit of oil. I'm going to go around the eggs as well. I'm just going to knock it in, and then I'm going to tighten it up, okay? The potato is quite loose, okay? So I'm just going to take a second spatula, and I'm going to tuck it in, tuck it in, tuck it in, tuck it in, and press down. I brought it from a high heat down, and now in with another little tiny bit of oil, okay? Now I can see a little bit of colouring in that already. You can see here our bacon, I've already had it on cooking, frying. It's more just rendering there now on a low heat, okay? So I'll come now to our free range eggs, okay? I have a decent amount of salt in this pot of water and a decent amount of water in the pot. More water than what you think you need, and a decent depth. I also have the water at a boil. Take your eggs straight out of that, mine in the fridge generally. Tap on the side of the egg. Tapping on the side of the egg on a flat surface helps you get a plump yolk, okay? I find swirling water is absolutely excellent and works perfectly fine for one egg. Once you start dropping in the second one, then they're starting to knock off each other, not the same, okay? Now the key thing here now, at this point, is to turn it down. As I said, I had that water at boiling point. Once the 2 eggs goes in, temperature's going to plummet about 10-15 degrees right away. Turn our rosti, okay? And again, I want to tuck in, tuck in, tuck in, and ramp up the heat here now as well. Get a wee bit more of a colour on the bacon on the other side. Take a decent little knob of butter and run it a little bit over the top here, because we're going to flick it again. And then I want to run it right around the edge of the pan, okay? We'll turn it around so I get the butter on both sides. And then, just to check the egg, you'll lift them up, just give it a wee tap, and you know what? I think they're pretty much ready for me. So let that sit there, it'll help it dry. And now, on with the Tarragon Rosti. 2 beautiful little slices of bacon, and then we'll just drop on our eggs. And then to finish it off, a couple of little twists of cracked black pepper, and again, a little tap of some chili. An absolutely beautiful little breakfast or brunch dish to enjoy this weekend. Alright, I'm going to get tucked into this one right now. Deadly.